So one of the most dismal and embarrassing seasons for the Jamaica Talawas franchise has ended. I'm not lie, this predictable semi-final defeat to the Trinbago Knight Riders basically take away out of misery. Yes. It was indeed a sporting travesty that a team with so many poor and non-performing players could get to the semi-final. But seriously though, something is dreadfully wrong with the Jamaica Talawas franchise, both on and off the field. Season before last, the majority of our home games were moved from Kingston to Florida amidst whispers of the franchise itself leaving Jamaica. Last season, they finished dead last in the tournament, winning just 2 out of 10 games. Before the start of this season, them this and dash way one of the biggest stars in the T20 game, the universe boss Chris Gayle. And the next star, Andre Russell, said this is his last season with the Talawas. The team went on to win just 3 and lost 8 of 11 games played. The Talawas have won 5 of their last 21 CPL games and are now officially a national disgrace. I mean, you all realize that in terms of Jamaica's cricket, the Talawas have been the only bright spark in a spread of darkness and gloom. Yes, yes. And right now, that little spark is gone. Yes. See the pure darkness and gloom. Talawas. I wanted a Talawas.